with Off-Grid Trailers, and today I'm going to show you how I like to cook with the Expedition 2.0. Our innovative drop-down kitchen design uses no interior space, features a dual-burner Dometic cooktop, as well as our custom-built sink. The dual-burner Dometic cooktop gives you plenty of cooking power, whether you're boiling water, cooking a steak, or making eggs in the morning. The squared-off design of our in-house manufactured sink gives you the optimal space for cleaning your dishes after an awesome meal. By using a portable camp table, you can set your kitchen up into a U-shaped formation, giving you ample prep space. The fender, as well as the steps up the kitchen box, are a great place to store spices, soaps, anything else you might need while you're in the kitchen. Learn more about the Expedition 2.0 at offgridtrailers.com.